saw an orange cat today, chasing all the clouds away. With tiny paws and eyes so bright, he danced around in morning light. He's smart and sneaky, fast and sly. He climbs the trees and touches sky. He counts his fish, 1, 2, 3, then naps beneath the apple tree. He doesn't roar, he doesn't bark, but draws with crayons in the park. He reads his books, he writes in rhyme. This orange cat has perfect time. So if you meet him, say hello. He may just teach you what he knows. A cat so clever, cool and neat, with orange fur and dancing feet.